we are back with one more AV product showcase. Today we are going to showcase Bose VB1 and VBS. My name is Junaid. I am from Oxford System Integration. Let's get started. We know Bose is a leading brand in audio segment. Bose a year ago came up with the video bar segment. Those are all-in-one video bars for small huddle rooms and medium-sized rooms. So let's see how the products are there. So this is VB1. Let's see what's in the box. All-in-one USB camera with some power accessories, USB cables, remote, and some mounting options. So talking about the features of VB1, this is an all-in-one video bar with single USB connectivity, a sleek design with 6 beam steering microphones, Bose audio and Ultra 4K HD camera with auto framing. And this can be managed remotely, plus this have multiple mounting options. So let's see the connectivity. It comes with a USB Type-C, then power, audio in, and a GPIO, plus a network connectivity and an HDMI output. And there are 2 physical connections for microphone mute and Bluetooth. Here's the remote, which comes with the options like volume, zoom, presets, navigation, Bluetooth and mute. So here are the 2 different models from Bose Videobar segment. This is VB1 and VBS. So now we will talk about the difference between these 2. So this is having 6 beam steering microphones and VBS is having 4 beam steering microphones. This comes approx size of around 680 mm and this is around 280 mm. There are multiple mounting options for both of them, plus this is having individual mode as well. So you can use it in huddle spaces or individual space or work from home scenarios. And VB1 can be used in medium size or small size meeting rooms. The coverage of VB1 is 6 meters and the coverage for VBS is 3 meters. And as we know, Bose VB1 and VBS is a single USB connectivity device. We can combine these devices with a wireless collaboration conferencing device, Barco ClickShare. Talking about the compatibility, these 2 devices are certified by Barco. For demos, you can contact Oxford System Integration. Thanks for watching this video. Please share, like and subscribe our YouTube channel.